What's going on, YouTube? Antonio here. So got this 2009 Ford Crown Victoria Police Interceptor, and I wanted to show you guys a potential fix for an issue that is very common on these cars. So we have the Interceptor package, which obviously the rear doors on this vehicle, rear doors, rear windows do not open from the back window switches for the window. So what was happening is that uh, we were trying to diagnose the wiring, if the wiring was disconnected. So we plugged we took this out of this plastic compartment. We gutted it all out, and we wanted to see if there was a short or there was something here that was spliced or not connected. So we went ahead and did that, and we checked it out. Everything seems normal. The second thing we did is we checked the switches, and we went ahead and replaced the actual module, which I know we shouldn't have replaced it because we are going to put the original one back on, because I know that that's not the actual fix to the problem. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, or step one, is go here to this panel, remove this door panel here on the driver's side, and you're going to have this switch here. Most of the times the retrofitting companies will disconnect this, and that will disable your window operating from your rear door window switch. So that's potential I guess potential problem solve number one. Okay, but if this doesn't fix your issue, let me tell you what else might fix your issue and when you should look after. Okay, so walking back here, what we did is, you see this switch here? This is your window switch. Okay, sorry, I'm filming with one hand. So what we did is we noticed that the power switch, which is going to be this red with blue line, was actually disconnected, and it was taped in black tape. So this one here was actually folded towards this way, and the actual connector, the actual pin that goes in there, was completely over here and wrapped in tape. So what you want to do is the following: take the tape off. Okay, then obviously you want to disconnect it, right? Easy. Disconnect it, and then face the switch to the entry point of the actual with the pigtail, and then you know exactly which, because there's pins there. There's three and a two. So that switch will tell you where the power button or the power wire will go to. So once you figure that out, plug it in gently but firm. Okay, and then that should connect and now give you window power. Okay, so what you want to do is pay attention to both sides. Do not start disconnecting anything else. Go to the opposite side and do the same thing. We noticed it when, same thing, it was this wire here was wrapped, unplugged from the actual connector, from the pigtail, and bent or folded right over here with black tape. So we just removed the black tape and then figured out the entry point of the actual of the pigtail to where it gets its power from, connected it, and there you go. Okay, I hope this might have solved your issue, or can potentially solve your issue. If this is your last resort for, and if you already checked for any blown fuses or anything that's out of the abnormal, okay, just look at your wires. Don't go, look at the simplest things first. So don't even start gutting out the side panel of the driver's seat. Just what I would do, step one, take this off, check for the connector here. on the driver's side. Okay. From there, if it's unplugged, connected, check power again. If it works, if it works, you're good. And then if it doesn't work, look at the power of the switch. Okay. All right, guys. Well, hope this helps. This is Antonio, and if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe, because we will be making more videos on Crown Victoria police interceptors. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.